What's the meaning of Andorran? Andorran. 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 Andorran.
Andorran refers to something or someone from the country of Andorra, which is a small independent principality located in the Pyrenees Mountains between France and Spain. The Andorran culture is a unique blend of Spanish and French influences, with Catalan being the official language. The country is known for its rugged mountain landscapes, ski resorts, and tax haven status. Andorra has a population of around 77,000 people and a thriving tourism industry. Overall, Andorra is a fascinating and beautiful destination that offers a unique mix of cultures and natural beauty.